Where does the journey of chocolate truly begin? The world's favorite indulgence begins in the humid equatorial belt. Inside the fleshy pods of the Theobroma cacao tree lies the bitter-hearted chocolate, the wet, pale cacao beans. This microbial activity kills the germ and develops flavor precursors, fundamentally transforming bitterness into the potential for chocolate. After fermentation, the beans must be meticulously dried to prevent mold and lock in developed flavors. Satisfied with their journey so far, the beans are carefully packed into large sacks, ready for transport to far-flung factories. The roasting process is where the signature chocolate aroma emerges, highlighting the precision needed in temperature control as it determines whether the final profile will be fruity, nutty, or deeply earthy. Thus, the journey from bean to bliss continues, steeped in tradition and passion. How does a humble cacao bean transform into the chocolate we all love? As we delve into the world of cacao, we begin with the captivating process of winnowing, a meticulous art of separating trash from treasure. Watch as high-powered vacuums hum with purpose, expertly sucking away the brittle, flaky shells known as chaff. In a mesmerizing dance, they reveal the precious cacao nibs beneath, showcasing nature's true bounty. Next, the nibs are elevated into massive stone or steel grinders. Amidst whirring machinery, watch the intense friction work its magic, liquefying the nibs into a thick, dark concoction. Cacao liquor, the essential foundation of all chocolate creations. Finally, we witness the dramatic pressing stage where hydraulic machines exert immense force to separate the rich cacao butter from the solid cacao cake. The golden liquid flows free, destined for indulgent recipes, while the hard cake is left behind to be dried and ground into the beloved cacao powder, a staple in countless desserts. This intricate journey reflects the careful craftsmanship behind every chocolate treat, transforming humble beans into edible treasures. The golden liquid flows free, destined for indulgent recipes, while the hard cake is left behind to be dried and ground into the beloved cacao powder, a staple in countless desserts. This intricate journey reflects the careful craftsmanship behind every chocolate treat, transforming humble beans into edible treasures. This intricate journey reflects the careful craftsmanship behind every chocolate treat, transforming humble beans into edible treasures. This intricate journey reflects the careful craftsmanship behind every chocolate treat, transforming humble beans into edible treasures. This intricate journey reflects the careful craftsmanship behind every chocolate treat, transforming humble beans into edible treasures. How does chocolate go from bean to bliss? The ingredients are now recombined according to the desired recipe. The highest quality chocolate is defined by its percentage of cacao solids, the perfect ratio of liquor, extra butter, sugar, and milk powder. The mixture is still gritty. To achieve that signature smooth mouthfeel, it passes through the refiner. These rollers grind the sugar and cacao solids down to microscopic particles, eliminating any trace of grayness. The most critical step is conching. This process involves heating and intense mixing for up to 72 hours, removing harsh, volatile acids and ensuring every microscopic solid particle is completely enveloped by the silky cacao butter. This meticulous journey from combining golden ingredients to achieving the perfect texture exemplifies the artistry behind every bite of chocolate. What makes chocolate such a delightful experience? The journey begins with the tempering process, where the chocolate undergoes a careful heating and cooling cycle. This intricate dance allows the cocoa butter's fat crystals to align, forming stable structures. The end result, a glossy, perfectly textured bar that snaps with a satisfying crack. Once tempered, the liquid chocolate flows gracefully into bar molds on a vibrating conveyor belt, effectively eliminating any pesky air bubbles. As the bars cool, they transform into solid delights, swiftly wrapped and sealed, poised for eager consumers. The contrast between massive industrial lines and quaint artisan shops speaks volumes about innovation and ethics in the chocolate industry. As sustainability becomes paramount with direct trade practices, this ancient delicacy evolves, promising a sweeter, more responsible future for chocolate lovers everywhere. From the bitter bean to the polished treat, chocolate remains a glorious fusion of agriculture, biology, and engineering.